Okay, so we are going to do 2 minutes on the term double loss, or sometimes called double grief. And you may wonder, how can I have double of this pain? Well, what happens sometimes is when you lose your spouse, you're also losing maybe your business partner in that same person. Or if you lose your child, you're also losing your patient. Or if you lose your parent, you may be losing your caregiver. So it's kind of losing a person in two-role position. That is one part of having a double loss or going through double grief. There's also the situation, and it's where you watch your child go through grief as you're losing your spouse. So your partner dies, and you're grieving them, but you're also grieving watching your child lose their parent. So you're having this double-sided grief as well for that situation. There's something also called grandparent grief, and that is a double grief or a double loss. So as a grandparent, you lose your grandchild, but you're also watching your child go through this whole huge loss in this grief process. So you are grieving and you are in pain for your child going through their loss, but you are also losing your grandchild. So sometimes that gets missed in the whole situation when that, grandchild position person dies. These are also hard roles because when you're doing this double grief and this double loss, you may not have your support person because they are going through their own loss and grief, or they are the person that died. So you on top of having the double loss and double grief, you also don't have the support system that you're supposed to have. So it becomes a really tricky, hard situation. 2 minutes on double loss and double grief.